Hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Sonali.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai, India.
How long have you been in the US?
Almost 2 years now.
Where do you currently work and what's your position?
I work at Amazon and my position is BI engineer.
How much do you earn here annually? You can just give like a range.
Yeah, so I think this is pretty standard, around 150K.
And what is the breakdown of your expenses and savings in terms of percentage?
So I do believe in living frugally. This is my first year earning in the US. So my majority expense is my apartment. So I'm paying a fair amount of money on my rent because I wanted to kind of have that experience. But I do end up saving quite a bit of money,
Like around 40-50%?
more than that.
$200,000 in the US or 30 lakhs in India. Which one would you prefer and why?
So I think you're asking the wrong person because I was earning somewhere around that when I came here. I came for experience. Honestly speaking, I know it's a cliche answer, but I came for experience, and I understand that the market is bad, and a lot of people will say things differently. But I just feel that I would still do the 200K over here, earn some money, and then go back to India.
Did you study in the US?
I did. I went to the University of Washington, which is right here in Seattle. Then information management and data science.
What's one thing that you did right during your masters?
I came with a very focused vision. I knew that I wanted a 1 year degree because I didn't want to spend too much time specializing in a field that I already had somewhat expertise in. So I feel like I chose the right degree. I financed pretty well. I was debt free by the time I graduated based on my internships and things. So I feel like that is something I did well.
What's one thing that you could have done better during your masters?
So many things. I feel like I should have maybe done a part time. Like my course was 9 months, so I felt like I should focus on the job search, which is why I felt of putting 100% of my time looking for a job. I feel I should have managed my time a little better and maybe pushed myself and done a part time.
What was the biggest culture shock that you got once you landed in the US?
I'm from Bombay, so the biggest shock I had was just how empty everything was. Like I used to go to college and the roads used to be just empty, and that took a lot of adjusting to because I tend to draw a lot of peace and solace from crowds around me. So I think that was the biggest culture shock.